Hello guys, it's Jessa. Kumusta kayong lahat dyan? So ngayon, ang gagawin natin ay pouch raid. Okay, so andito yung pouch ko. This is from Boracay, dati pa. And maraming laman ng pouch ko, kaya I'm gonna be unboxing this. Okay. So first up is meron tayong Trodat. So ito yung Trodat ko. This was way back years ago pa kasi ilang years na to sa akin. Next is I have an oil control film. This one is somewhat important to me. Usually I use this when I'm at downtown or anywhere. And then next one is I have a red ball pen. Red ball pen. Tapos yun. Nung nag-work ako sa panibagong hospital, I ordered a Trodat again. So, ito yun siya. Color yellow kasi it's my favorite color. Tapos, this one is the ink. I ordered also. And then, this one, I have a USB. A data USB. Yan ang laman ng pouch ko. Tapos, I have a surgical scissors. This one. Tapos, meron din akong eraser. Yun lang ngayon guys, ang aking masasabi. At yun ang aking pouch raid. Thank you so much guys. Until the next video!